Hello guys, today we're gonna do a bike check of my Enduro, Super Enduro. So this is a Cannondale Jekyll 2024-2025 model, as you can see from the geometry. So it's basically full custom except the two suspensions, the shocks and the fork. So basically, let's start off with the seat post clamp. It's Hope purple, 31.6. Jumper post, it's the Cannondale's one. Then seat, it's Cannondale, as you can see from the habit. Then going into the rear section, we have Hope ones with the 4-piston caliper and with the black plastic tube, not the metallic one, and the 203 rotor, but the E4 one, not the one with the 2.4 millimeters thickness. Then we have a Pro 5 hub, the newest one. Then if we move here, we have Hope F22 pedals. These are great, guys, super grip, look at the pins. Then here we have Hope cranks. These are the downhill ones with the 30 millimeters tube inside. And I bought also the Hope BB for the 30 millimeter thickness of the tube, because normal bikes have the 68-73 millimeters. This one is the 73-83. The color, it's aluminum, let's say gray or silver. These are the Evo, the newest ones. Then here we have Fox Float Performance X with firm adjustment, and from this side the rebound and my custom air protector. 165 of travel, as you can see. Then here we have the fit lock for the bottle. I unboxed it in the previous video, as you can see, magnetic. It's super, I recommend it. Then let's move to the other side. They are XT with 12 speed cassette, still they are. And here we have Crank Evo F22 pedal, and the it's called like this, guys, it's amazing. And then here we have the 4 high pivot point, as you can see, 1, 2, 3 and 4. So when the suspension linkage moves towards down and squishes the shock, this makes the chain stay firm and not move like this, and not move the pedal like this. Wheels, I will show you the front one. These are custom reverse wheels with halo spokes and custom purple nipples. These are the reverse black one, silver. Amazing, guys, with a Pro 5 torque Pro 5. So it's another Hope special, let's say, feature, because it makes the fork more rigid in the bottom, and it has end caps which are more thicker than the Hope Pro 5 normal one for the front. Then 220 millimeter rotor here. Then I wanted to say that the axle is 15 times 110 millimeters, as you can see here. Hope E4 with organic pads, custom air tap, and we have Maxis Assegai in the back and in the front. Then we have RockShox Zeb Ultimate, as you can see. We find also here custom nipple and 170 of travel. Then here my cable management, guys, as you can see. Here it's the most amazing part of the bike. Then here we have race face grips with the purple and really good, guys. These are really good for grips. Then here we have Hope sit post lever, really good, silver and purple, also this. Then we have the brake, silver, I chose silver and purple. Then the RXT shifter, I changed it from the original one that was only the R. Then here we have 35mm stem Hope. This is a beast, guys, actually. And with the custom Hope spacers and Hope cap and Hope crew cap. As you can see, it's all purple, guys, all purple. And guys, the most amazing feature of my bike, this exclusive limited edition Hope chameleon handlebar. As you can see, it changes color. It's, guys, one of the best handlebars in carbon fiber that you can find on the internet. And what can I say? It's amazing. And yeah, so this, guys, is my bike. The frame is M size, and it's the Cannondale's most, let's say, sold bike of the 2024 year. As for enduro, it's basically one of the best you can find for quality. This is all, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!